this record button here. All right. And so let me just zoom in here quick. So right now, I pretty much have my high relief sections done, right? And now I need to add my, there we go, my lower relief section. So high relief is the part that comes out the farthest. Low relief is kind of flattish, and then sunken relief goes back into that tile. So what I'm going to do now is just kind of look and see where I want to add a little bit more clay. And this time it's really just going to be a tiny little bit because it's low relief, so it's not going to come up very high. So what I want to do is I want to look at overlaps. So this one overlaps this one, which overlaps this one. So this one I'm going to actually have go back. But this one I'm going to add a little bit of clay to. So I'm going to score that section, which kind of gives it a little bit of a tooth. And then, get my flip container out. I'm going to grab a little bit of clay. And this time around, I'm not going to use as much clay as I did for the other one, so it's not going to be quite as high. All right, so I'm just going to use a little bit of clay. And by little bit, I mean really like a little bit. I'm going to roll this out. I'm going to give it a little bit of a pancake effect. And again, it's not quite as big as the actual shape, but what's going to happen, excuse me, through default, as I start squishing this around, is that it will, again, I just added some slip to this, and I can either add slip to this, or I can add slip to this. It doesn't matter as long as there's slip that's in between the two layers of clay. So now I'm going to push this down, and as I push this down, it inadvertently mushes to where I want it to be. And like I've said before, this is probably going to look